हेलो दोस्तों, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत हमारी मैथ एक्सपर्ट जर्नी डे 24 एंड 25 में। दोस्तों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे नंबर सिस्टम के प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन। दिस सेशन इज फॉर डे 24। द मेन एम इज टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ क्वेश्चंस आर solved in exams and how we can reduce time while solving them. Before solving questions, we revise basic points. Any number can be written as number is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This form is useful in all remainder based questions. In exams, most mistakes happen because students do not convert the questions into this form. Consider a practice question situation या practical situation. A number gives remainder 3 when divisible by 7. We don't try random numbers. We write it as number is equals to 7k plus 3, where k is the number which is divided. K is a quotient which further multiply with 7, and addition of the remainder will give the dividend. Now, if the question asks us about the square cubes of the number or substitute 7k plus 3 instead of the actual number, this method saves the time and avoids the confusions. Now, we move to the unit digit question. In exams, powers are usually larger, but unit digits follow a repeating pattern. Every, जैसे 2, 3 इनकी the unit digit of these numbers are repeated after the fourth times. Once the pattern is known, we do not calculate the full power. We only find the position of the power in the cycle and calculate that and give the unit digit after finding this. Divisibility questions are based on the rules. For example, divisibility of 3 or 9 depends on the sum of the digits. Divisibility by 11 depends on the difference of alternate digit sums. In exams, always apply the rule directly instead of dividing the numbers. LCM HCM we will further discuss. Actually, this is the part of the also number system, but we will discuss it after it. Avoid writing long factorization unless it is necessary. In real exams, questions are mixed. First, identify the question, that is the remainder, unit digit question, divisibility, digital sum, which by which way you can solve the question as earliest as possible. You have find that way and apply this method to find your answer within 10 seconds. Once the type is identified, apply the standard method. This method improves both speed and accuracy. Main both of these things are important for exam point of view if you want selection. For day 24 and 25, solve at least 200 sorry 200 or 300 practice question. Focus on method, not answer only. Analyze mistake after solving the questions. Do not hurry. Correct method is more important than fast at this stage. I said at this stage, not at the final stage. At the final stage, you must improve your speed. Without your speed, you are unable to uh, full attempt your exam papers, because in most of the exams you get 50 questions and you have to solve them in 30 minutes. That you have to increase your speed plus accuracy, but at this time you have to increase your accuracy, but we will work further on this speed. But speed we will focus after this, that we can use tricks जैसे for example digital sums, unit digit foundation, blah blah, we can use this. Today's session was based on number system practice questions. Practice these questions types regularly. In the next section we will continue with advanced practice of these questions also. Number system. Now pause the video and start solving the question. Big minimum before going on bed you have to solve 30 question extra to improve your accuracy plus speed with timer. These 30 questions please solve with timer, and feel that from first question to 30th question your time goes decreases with increase with increment on accuracy. So we will meet next day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat with a